Before you watch the next interesting experiment regarding the conversion of radiant energy into usable electrical energy, I want to take a moment to explain to my serious subscribers why I've recently started disabling comments, why comments are disabled, and what this channel is really about. To my serious subscribers and viewers, you may have noticed that I've disabled comments on my recent videos. This decision wasn't made lightly. The reason is simple. A growing number of people, with little to no understanding of the topics I'm discussing, are using the comment section to spread ignorance, mockery, and misleading interpretations, particularly regarding concepts like radiant energy, ambient energy, and the legacy of Nikola Tesla. Many like to cite the law of conservation of energy as if it's the ultimate and unshakable counterargument. But let's be clear, just because a principle is widely accepted does not mean it's fully understood or universally applicable in all contexts. The law of conservation of energy applies specifically to closed systems. The systems I'm working with, and the systems Tesla explored, are fundamentally open systems. And even within so-called closed systems, we have yet to truly explore what happens when we change variables such as vacuum, resonance, or magnetic field behavior. My aim is not to defy physics, but to expand it. The energy I'm exploring is real, existing energy all around us. The same energy that powers the sun, drives planetary motion, and holds the structure of the universe together. My goal is to show that this energy can be accessed, converted and used through innovative systems, DC to AC converters, ambient energy collectors, and more. If you're genuinely curious, scientifically minded, and open to exploring new frontiers of physics, I invite you to connect with me through my Patreon page. That space is for serious discussion, collaboration, and discovery. Thank you to everyone who supports this mission. We are just getting started. In this experiment, I'm using the same transformer that I've previously used for my LED flood panel driver, but with a few small modifications. What I want to show you is the formation of a vacuum-like condition with this setup. A modulated frequency is achieved using only a single transistor, and I'm operating this entire circuit with less than half a watt of power input. And yet, can you see the peak-to-peak voltage? It reaches 300 volts. Now, I'm not saying this is a conventional transformer, because it's not. In fact, it behaves more like a capacitor than a transformer. This is an unconventional design that leads to unconventional results. If you'd like to support my work and see more experiments like this, with more detailed explanations and setups, feel free to visit my Patreon page. The link is in the description. These experiments you see on my channel are meant to demonstrate a fundamental idea, that all we need is to create the right conditions for lower energy states, and then the energy from the surrounding environment can naturally enter the system and be converted into usable, conventional electrical energy. These setups do not generate energy on their own. What they do is create the right conditions for ambient energy to flow in, the same energy that powers the universe itself.